Ukrainian Air Force Sukhoi Su-25 attack jet, stationed at the Dolgintsevo air base near Kryvyi Rih, fell victim to one of Russia's Lancet drones, which were equipped with explosives. This incident marked the second drone strike on a Ukrainian warplane at Dolgintsevo within 3 weeks. Unless the Su-25 was intentionally placed there as a decoy, it's clear that the Ukrainian Air Force hasn't learned from the September 19 strike that damaged or destroyed a Mikoyan MiG-29. A video recorded from a second Russian drone captured the moment when a Lancet drone approached and struck the Su-25, which was parked in an open area at Dolgintsevo during broad daylight. The Kryvyi Rih air base is situated 45 miles away from the front line in southern Ukraine, indicating that the drone used in the attack had a longer range of 45 miles, signifying it was the new Product 53 drone, as opposed to the older Product 51 with a 25-mile range. It has become increasingly apparent that the Product 53 poses a significant threat to Ukrainian Air Force regiments stationed at airfields within 45 miles of the front line. Moreover, it's evident that the air defenses at these forward bases are inadequate in countering these drone threats. Not only are the 25-pound Lancet drones successfully penetrating the defenses, but the surveillance drones that monitor their strikes are also operating without interference. There is still time and an opportunity for the Ukrainian Air Force to adapt. Losing one MiG and one Sukhoi is not a disaster, as Ukraine's foreign allies have pledged enough replacement MiG-29s and Su-25s to make up for combat losses, including recent losses to drones. It's worth noting that Kyiv's Air Force is skilled at dispersing its approximately 100 frontline jets to avoid Russian attacks. This dispersal strategy has allowed them to survive for 21 months since Russia escalated its war on Ukraine. However, Air Force commanders need to optimize their methods further to counter the threat from long-range missiles, which Ukrainian or NATO intelligence can detect several minutes before impact. A small drone on a one-way mission from just 45 miles away may not provide much, if any, advance notice. Ukraine must conceal its warplanes while they are idle, continually enhancing short-range air defenses over its most forward bases. There are no safe periods, no respites, and no times of day when Russian munitions do not pose a threat to Ukraine's warplanes. If Ukrainians fail to acknowledge this new reality, they may continue to lose valuable jets to disposable drones.